In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Dell monitor to a laptop. Now we have a lot of models when it comes to your laptop and especially on your monitors, but these steps are generally going to be the same. The first thing that you want to do is to get yourself cable. Now there's multiple cables out there. There's basically the VGA cable, DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. You want to get yourself one of these cables. Now for the most common cable, it's going to be the HDMI cable right here. So you can just grab any cable that is shown on this picture. Now from there, you then want to navigate through the back of your monitor, and basically you want to go ahead and take a look at this specific connections right here. Now you want to plug your specific connector or wire into one of these plugs behind your monitor. In our case, the HDMI is going to be the example. After being plugged in as shown right here, the back of the monitor, you then want to plug the cable back onto your laptop, and from there it will then connect seamlessly. But if your laptop doesn't have that specific cable, for example the HDMI and more, you want to get yourself the video converter. You can simply grab one of these devices through popular websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, or more. This is going to be the HDMI converter, but if you're using something like a DisplayPort or a VGA port, you could type something like VGA to USB converter on popular online shops. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.